Hello everyone, this is Charalambos Pissouros, Senior Technical Analyst here at IronFX Global, bringing you the technical updates for March 11th. Today let's see the technical pictures of Euro-Yen and New Zealand US dollar. Euro-Yen managed to move below the psychological number of 130, while Kiwi and Greenback continued its plunge, falling below 0.7340. So let's begin our treatment with Euro-Yen. Euro-Yen tumbled after hitting resistance at the lower line of this near-term downside channel and managed to breach the psychological round figure of 130. The rate is now trading between that hurdle and the support line of 129.25, defined by the low of the 30th of August 2013. The bias stays to the downside, thus I would expect a clear move below 129.25 to pull the trigger for the 128 area marked by the low of the 12th of August 2013. Nevertheless, given that there is positive divergence between the RSI and the price action, I would be mindful that a minor bounce back above 130 could be in the works before the next leg down. On the daily chart, the dip below the round figure of 130 confirmed a forthcoming lower low and signaled the continuation of the longer term downtrend. Now let's carry on with New Zealand US dollar. This pair continued lower and fell below the key support, now turned into resistance of 0.7340. Today, during the early European morning, the rate is heading towards the support line of 0.7215, where a dip could challenge the low of the 3rd of February at 0.7175. Our daily momentum studies detect negative momentum and amplify the case for the continuation of the fall. The 14-day RSI continued lower after falling below its 50 line and is now approaching its 30 line, while the MACD turned down and moved below both its 0 and signal lines. As for the broader trend, the plunge from near 0.7625 confirmed my view that the recovery from 0.7175 was just a corrective move of the longer term downtrend and that the overall down path is back in force. So that's it for today. For more analysis and charts, please read the full comment on ironfx.com. You can also follow us on Twitter, like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, or circle us on Google Plus to get more trading ideas. This is Charalambos Pissouros, Senior Technical Analyst at IronFX Global, wishing you solid trading.